Did you know yawning isn't just about being tired? In fact, it's a fascinating behavior found across many species. Scientists believe yawning helps cool the brain, enhancing alertness and mental performance. Interestingly, it's contagious too. Just seeing someone yawn can trigger your own urge to yawn. This is linked to empathy and social bonding. When we see others yawn, our brains mirror that behavior. Fun fact: some reptiles even yawn with their eyes closed. So next time you find yourself in a room full of yawners, remember, it's not just boredom. It might be a brain-cooling party.